going for a walk now. This is like the walk of what? Walk of this. I just have to focus on the treatment now. I just don't want to run for more ADHD videos or something like that. I just want to heal myself, and I also want to record myself to regulate myself because ADHD causes this kind of not self, time blindness. What the I'm just really spinning. Self blindness, and it would really help me to ground myself with this kind of vlogs, and it would kind of create a balance for me. I know people are watching. I have this deep, self, just rejection sensitivity. Oh, no. Even throughout the day, my thoughts are really, it's kind of like a salad. All these voices inside my head, I sound like so similar to psychosis. But yeah, it's really hard. And this is the only way I can move forward and, do something with my life. And yes, so this is what I'm trying to do because talking to myself really is a kind of a stemming behavior. It kind of calms me down to just throw out my thought out there, and it kind of give me a kind of I wouldn't say a purpose, but it's self-soothing for me to do that. And I just want to share and share because I'm 23 now, and I'm getting older, and I love music, and I'm not able to produce songs. I'm learning how to, but day and day it's getting much more difficult to write new one and to kind of go on with the flow, which is not required in all those things. But it still is okay. I have to hold it. Still is a kind of a I don't know. This is the reason I just don't want to record my recordings, because most of the time it's just kind of a thought salad. So it's just one thought that is not followed by a sequence. See, I thought they were like some kind of dacoits. The fuck. Oh no, the holding camera, and I'm just thinking that everyone is like staring at me. No one is staring. It's just my inner critique is so damaging. If they are staring at me, then they may lose contact and get to an accident. That would be much more better. I'm just speaking like I'm in the south of France, but I'm really naughty. Okay, I can like assume like I am what they say. I'm on a video call, so you can just think that I'm just talking to myself. So there's a person called Manu, and I'm talking to him. So then that way I won't feel this kind of overwhelm with people and all that. I just think that I have a really sell what they say sellable face. Sellable face, it literally means that I could sell my face. Like this song, face card, no cash, no credit. I can use my face card in all this kind of situations. Sometimes it doesn't work. But yeah, that's for it. I hope it does work. My arms are aching. I can't do it more. Although it looks like muscles, I don't have any muscles.